In today's video, I am going to teach you how to collect redstone dust in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. To collect redstone dust, you first need the right tool. Make sure you are holding an iron pickaxe, a diamond pickaxe, or a netherite pickaxe. These are the pickaxes that can properly mine redstone ore and give you the drop you need. If you use a weaker pickaxe, the ore will not drop redstone dust, so choosing the correct tool is the first part of the process. Once you have the right pickaxe equipped, make sure you have already found redstone ore. This is the block you need to mine in order to get redstone dust. Take a moment to confirm that you are looking at redstone ore before you start mining. This helps you avoid wasting time on the wrong block and makes the process much smoother. When you are ready, mine the redstone ore with your pickaxe. Keep your crosshair on the block and hold the mine button until the block breaks. As long as you are using an iron, diamond, or netherite pickaxe, the ore will drop redstone dust when it is mined. This is the main step, and it is where you actually collect the material needed for redstone crafting and redstone builds. After the ore block breaks, look for the redstone dust that drops on the ground. Move your character over the dropped item to pick it up. Once you walk over it, the redstone dust will go into your inventory automatically. At that point, you have successfully collected redstone dust. If you want to get more redstone dust from each ore block, use a pickaxe with the fortune enchantment. A fortune enchanted pickaxe increases the amount of redstone dust that can drop when you mine redstone ore. This is very useful if you are collecting large amounts for crafting, redstone circuits, or storage. It can help you gather resources faster and make each ore block more valuable. So the process is simple. Equip an iron, diamond, or netherite pickaxe. Make sure you have found redstone ore, mine the ore, and then pick up the redstone dust that drops. If you want even better results, use fortune on your pickaxe to increase the drop amount. That covers everything you need to know.